Sanyo Shinkansen. It's going south. Tokaido Shinkansen. So Hikari, Kodama, and Nozomi are the lines. That when you exit one of the gates, that you clearly tell them that you want to go and see the Sanyo Shinkansen if you've taken a ticket to see the platforms. And from the northbound trains to southbound trains, you won't be able to see it if you came out. So the guy's going nuts. So I had to go back to the train, what was it, to the gate and explain that I wanted to go and see this as well. And you get 2 hours and I still got an hour left on this platform ticket. I paid a lot of money, 140. 140, yes. So there we are. Sanyo Shinkansen is going to Nagano, I guess. That's a Hikari, which means a slower version of it. Go any further than here. Look at this. Managed to get to the end of the line. There. All the contractors, the service facility staff is under the platform. This train going? And it's going towards at 11:40. He's heading out to different sets of uniform. Heading towards Kyoto. Look at the suitcase. Huge.
Watch your step.